In problem 6, I'm given an algebraic expression or equation. 26 minus z over 8 is equal to z plus 1. I'm asked to prove that z is equal to 2. So if I set this up, my first step in my statement reason chart, my first step will be to rewrite the given expression or equation exactly as it was provided. And I'll defend that as restating the given. That's my initial state. And then I'll move through the steps of my proof. And the first thing I'm going to do here is get rid of my fraction, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. So if I multiply both sides by 8, just distribute this to every single term in this equation. So it cancels with the fraction, the denominator in the first term's fraction, leaving me 26 minus z. And if I distribute this here, I get 8z plus 8. So all I did here was I multiplied both sides of the equation by the same amount. So that's an example of multiplication property. And now I can combine my like terms. So here, since I want my z to be on the left side, I'm going to move my z's over to the left. So I'm going to subtract 8z from both sides, leaving me 26 minus 9z is equal to 8. That's an example of subtraction property. And now I want to move my constants over to the other side, so I can subtract a 26 from both sides. That's leaving me negative 9z is equal to negative 18. And it's just another case of subtraction property. I could have combined this in the same step. I wanted to illustrate each individual steps on its own. My final step is to divide both sides by negative 9. That will isolate my z completely, give me z is equal to 2. I used division for that, so I'll justify my step with using division property. And now my end state is exactly what I'm asked to prove, so I'm done with